Charlie was one of our viewers of our first Course 2 handbook when we took a whole bunch of application notes and mashed them all together and made something.
Yeah, the first mashup.
Mashup of Volterra software documentation. And Charlie was passionate about his comments, and I think that's where the barf bag first came up.
Yeah.
A few meetings with my manager, Session, where I think Session came out going, "Oh my God." His purple pen was famous. He always marked up in purple pen, and you got your document back, and it was covered in purple ink, and that meant that Charlie had been there. But he really did make us better writers, and I feel like we sort of graduated from the Charlie school of writing within applications. And I learned a few things. Course 2 software doesn't have any needs. It doesn't think anything. It doesn't decide things. All those little tidbits that we like to put in our documents that Charlie whipped out of us. I know when to put only in a sentence. The software doesn't only do something, it does something only when something else. And a whole slew of grammatical and writing things that I think we've all learned. So not to bore you with any more grammatical details, but I just wanted to say thanks to Charlie in front of everyone for helping us. Even though it's not his department and it's not his job, he was one of the people that we could always count on to give us reviews and to give us feedback on the writing, but also the organization and the style and everything. So thank you, Charlie, for helping us out.